y'all, how y'all doing? This is your girl Tysheen, and I'm back with another video. How my lovely people doing? How y'all feeling today? I know some of y'all haven't seen like some of the me reacting to like the Beatles songs on my channel, because it's very hard to upload any Beatles video on YouTube. It's very hard, y'all. It's not easy. Okay, I'm trying. I love the Beatles. I really do love them. There's a lot. They have a lot of songs. They have a lot of songs that I would love to react to, but it's not easy. Sometimes I'll be stuck working on one Beatles video just to try to get it upload, and it's not easy. It's very, very hard. No matter what I do, it's just hard to upload, because so is, YouTube always block it. So we're gonna be reacting to a song called Blackbird, and let's get started.
Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to rise. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of a dark black night.
Such a nice song. Just nice, and like one of those songs you just sit on the porch and just have them just sitting there just singing this song to you, in a nice, cool summer breeze. Yeah, that's what I'm picturing.
You were only waiting for this moment to arise. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of a dark black night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night.
Oh, why did I thought it was finished?
Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arise.
That was such a nice little song. Aww. So yeah, so that was the Beatles, Blackbird. Comment below, let me know if there's any other songs by the Beatles. I would try to react, or I will react to it, but I'm gonna see if it'll be able to upload, because like I said, it's not easy to upload any Beatles songs. I'm being honest with you, but your girl will try. Okay, even if it take me like a whole hour, because trust me, there's a lot of videos I would love to upload, but no matter what I do, they just won't upload. Okay, YouTube is not trying to hear it. And yeah, so give this video a thumbs up if you're a big fan of the Beatles, because then that shows me that okay, they want me to react more of the Beatles. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So go down there and subscribe. The button is down there. Go down there and subscribe. I'll wait. Oh, you done? Oh, okay, cool. And yeah, and I see y'all lovely people here. Take care of yourself. Bye and peace.